Hi, Dennis from Whip. We're a B2B SaaS platform that provides digital engagement, private label tools to automotive dealerships globally. We already have customers around the world in the United States and across Southeast Asia, and we're really excited about the growth prospects today, and thanks for listening. We're solving for two huge pain points globally. The first is the dealership experience, which hasn't changed in almost 100 years. It's still driven by walk-up traffic, phone call traffic, and maybe some web-based traffic. We move that experience into a dealer's private label native app, which becomes the portal for all transactions and services. The second huge pain point that we're solving for globally is car data. Every car is talking to the cloud. Over 200 streaming data points that are available, yet you, the driver, don't have it. Whip has already completed test integrations of VIN-specific car data with the world's leading providers. By creating data packages into our system that can be sold through the dealerships at the point of sale of that car, Whip is now becoming an IoT company and profoundly changing the automotive aftermarket by connecting each driver with their car's data and the service center. It's still early days, but it's an incredibly exciting business model. And the best of all, the product works. The end user traction, the data we're seeing from 2021 is absolutely incredible. Very quickly, dealerships are migrating 50% of their inbound service requests from phone, from web, into our in-app channel. And that means stickiness. When a dealer sees huge success with a particular channel, they're going to stick with that channel. They're not going to take that app away from their customers. Secondly, we see customers exploring the dealership through the app. So just like you used to walk into a store to explore that product, people are downloading the dealership's private label app to learn about that dealer. 1 out of every 2 downloads is a hot lead for the dealer. Someone who doesn't have a car, they're looking to buy a car. That lead generation is super important for dealerships. So we're solving 2 big pain points at the dealership. Inbound service requests, which are moving in-app, removing all the friction, and hot lead generation. These are the 2 things that dealers care about. There's a few reasons why I'm really excited about the business model. First, it's a prepaid business model. Dealers are paying for the software on a 3 to 6 month forward basis. Secondly, it's got a really high ACV, average customer value. Our 7 customers that are signed are generating an average ACV pro forma of $49,000 per annum. So that's really high and B2B software. And there's a lot of upside in that number through the car data that we're adding in. There's also a huge market. We're talking about 120,000 dealerships globally. Even just a minor penetration of that turns us into a unicorn. Lastly, we've got an incredible team. 34 people based in Kuala Lumpur. We don't do any outsourcing. All IP is owned in-house, done by our coders. My partner and I, Kanashvili, we've been working together for 20 years. We've created companies like TuneTalk, of which I'm still a shareholder, TuneProtect, which listed successfully in an IPO, and Tune Hotels as well. So we understand how to build and how to scale. Join us in this journey. We'd love to have you with us.